Let's design our a web view app. In this app, it will be an advanced web view. Let's start our Android Studio. Run it as an administrator so that I can have a privilege to use all the features. Okay, click on empty activity and next. Let's name our app. You can change the package name to your own website, to your own name, or your imaginary website. You can change the language from Java to Kotlin or anyone you want to use. But let's leave it at Java. We do Kotlin later. Click on finish when you're done. It will take a little while for it to load. Just be patient because it's doing a lot of work. So let's customize our logo first. After loading, go to Resource Manager, click on the Add button, add image resource. Here, click on the folder icon to load your image. Where you keep your image, locate it in your computer and click OK. Your image can be in the app directory. This is your app directory. You can see your image size is a bit outside the circle. You can reduce it or you can increase it depending on your images. So let's change our background from the green to a color. It is closer. Let's use a color picker. Color picker. It's not working. I think this one is very close. We can use this. Yeah. So let's name our image. Rest. That white is because of the image was not well cropped. Okay, on the manifest folder, let's change our default logo. On the icon, change it to the name of the image you have just uploaded. Then the round icon, that is what you see when you install your app on your phone. We change it to the image we have uploaded already. That is all on manifest folder for now. come back to this later. Okay, you can see different sizes of the image when you scroll. So depending on the screen, Android Studio have already given you image for different sizes of screen. So let's add our image, text, and button to our home page to make our UI more attractive and interactive. Let's add a driver resources. Can change that to shape. Shape what we use. We want to use rectangle. So call the shape here. Then the color what we use. So solid. Okay, let's try purple. Let's increase it to 700 instead of 500. Close it. Then let's let's make the corner round. We're going to use only the bottom, left and bottom right. Let's give it 60 dp. Okay. So now let's add image view to our app. Let's choose our image. Can resize our image. Let's attach it to the top of our app. Image ID. Give it an ID that you can remember. And let's give it a background color. We use the drawable we just created. I think it looks okay. If you want to change the white background, you can do it at the uppermost part. That's the parents part. But I'm not going to use this. So let's add our text view. So this is the text you want to show once you open the app. Let's choose a bigger font. Make it bold. Center. Let's give it a margin. margin start and margin end. You can drag it down to position it where you want it to be. Let's add our margin. Let's constrain it. That's it. So now let's add our button. Drag and drop a button. Yeah. Let's give it a size. I think it's too big. Let's reduce it. Perfect. Extract the strings. Okay, we are done with our UI design. Let's go to the main page and design our web view and progress bar. Let's match it with parents. Just close it and give it an ID. Now let's add our progress bar. Let's give it 250, 250 dp. When you are using a text, you use SP, not DP. But when you are using image size, your container size, you use DP instead of SP. Central impedance true. think we are good to go. Let's give it an ID too.